Trading days, December 14th, 2014. Just going to review the Uranus-Pluto square once again. I want to bring something else in. This chart we looked at last week. You can see the history of the squares. There have been 5 of them starting in mid-2012. And we're about to hit the 6th one, which will happen about 7:45 on a Monday morning, so just before the market opens. Making this more powerful is the fact that Uranus will be turning direct on December 21st, just a couple of days. So at this point, Uranus will be moving very slowly, typically making that planet stronger. I'm just going to blow this chart up a bit so you can see what I want to see. This again looks at Jupiter and Uranus. We looked at something similar a couple of weeks ago, and actually last week. This shows the orange symbols are Jupiter, and this line here is showing Jupiter on December the 8th turning retrograde. Before the retrograde, the Sun always squares Jupiter. After the retrograde, the Sun always trines Jupiter. Similarly with Uranus, we have the Uranus moving direct. Before it does, the Sun is going to trine Uranus, and a few days afterwards, the Sun is going to square Uranus. So that creates these windows I've talked about, and specifically the overlap area, and that's where I expect this. We have some volatile market activity. This doesn't happen that often, so be aware of that. So you can see that we've gotten very volatile and come down strongly within this window. I'm expecting, as I said, this to continue lower. Being volatile, we could have some ups and downs, but this coming week I'm looking for this to move lower, potentially dramatically so, and I'm also looking for this to bounce the following week, December 22nd, 23rd, something like that. That would be just after the Uranus turning direct on December 21st. That also happens to be the day the Sun moves into Capricorn. Thank you very much.